I am down in the laundry room. There is a 3-inch clean out for the drain line just in front of the washing machine. I'm going to use this clean out to inspect the drain line from here to the city sewer. Here we go. Okay, I am down in the drain line finally, and we're going to push this sewer camera to the beginning of the city sewer, like I said earlier. Okay, there was a little bit of water in those first twists and turns. That's just the angle of the pipe right there. We were in some white PVC. Now we are in the cast iron pipe. You can tell that there is scale buildup here, which is normal, but I'm going to go ahead and keep pushing to the city sewer. I did turn on the water in the sink here in the laundry room just so the water flow can go by and I can clean my camera. And as you can see, the water is flowing by with no issues. I'm about 21 feet in from the clean out. You can see just about everything looks good here. Just the normal scale buildup on the wall. Looks like there might be spider web in here, which is not uncommon. Sometimes they just get in from the sewer and work their way back up. But you can see everything still looks good here. Just some normal scale buildup. Okay, we are crossing over from the cast iron pipe into some PVC and green PVC connections, which you can see right here. Everything is looking good. I am at approximately 30 feet from the clean out. You can see that there's an offset right here. It looks like the two pieces of pipe are not properly joined. It does look like the water is going past the gap on the right hand side and just flowing into the yard. That can cause some erosion issues in the future. Roots can grow into this area right here, so this will need to be repaired. But I'm going to go ahead and keep pushing to the city sewer. I'm at about 37 feet from the clean out. You can see that these connections in the pipe look good right here. I'm going to keep pushing. I do believe that I am in some clay drain line. You can tell by the 3-foot sections of pipe. If I push this a little bit further, I'm at approximately 41.5 feet. We should see the next connection before we get to 45 feet. Let's just push a little bit and see, and there it is right there. So this, like I said, this is clay connections, but so far everything looks good right here. I have crossed through several connections of clay pipe. I'm about 55 feet in from the clean out in the laundry room. Everything looks good so far. I am going to keep pushing to the city sewer. Still looking good, about 68 feet from the clean out. I am going to go a little bit further, and there is the city sewer at about 69 feet from the clean out in the laundry room. There was an issue about 30 feet from the clean out. There was an offset. It looked like the two pieces of pipe were not joined together, and the cast iron portion of the pipe had normal scale buildup. So I will recommend a plumbing contractor clean the drain line and repair the drain line at the 30-foot mark.